So while the nation continues to recover from the disaster of the Reggae Boys' non-qualification for the 2026 World Cup, the Reggae Girlz, on the other hand, continue their steady march towards a possible third consecutive World Cup appearance as they prepare for their big deciding one-off clash against Costa Rica for a place in history. The girls just completed 2 tough simulation exercises against Panama in Panama, winning the first game 1-0 and ending 0-0 in the second game. And right away, my maverick brain start work. What if it were the Reggae Boys in the same situation, having a one-off game against Costa Rica for a place at the World Cup? And in preparation, the boys went over to Panama to play 2 games against Panama. You think the Reggae Boys could have win 1 and draw 1 to finish unbeaten against Panama in Panama? You think so? Me not compare. Me just say, you think? All right.